How can I help you?
I am on the 11:40 flight to Birmingham.
And where are you flying to?
Birmingham.
And what time?
11:40.
And do you have some identification?
Yes, I do. Here you go.
All right, great. Here's your boarding pass, and it is gate 32.
Thank you. Oh, is everything okay with the flight? Is it on time?
I'm showing that that flight is canceled.
Canceled?
Yes.
But you just gave me a seat on that flight.
Yes, that was before it was canceled.
It was canceled in the last 4 seconds.
Yes.
Well, what happened? Is it weather or what is it?
I'm showing that it was coming from Orlando and it crashed.
Jesus Christ, it crashed? Is it serious?
I'm showing that everyone died except one baby. Did you want to fly standby on the 115?